Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most expressive emojis out there, the mind-blowing emoji. Ever seen it and wondered when to use it? Well, stick around, because I'm going to break it down for you. The emoji, also known as the exploding head emoji, is all about expressing shock, amazement, or a totally blown mind. It's the digital equivalent of saying, "I can't believe what I just saw." Or, "This is mind-blowing." Examples of use. So when do people use this emoji? Picture this. You just found out your favorite movie is getting a sequel. Someone sends you a plot twist that you never saw coming. Or maybe your friend drops some insane news and you just can't wrap your head around it. It's super versatile too. You can use it for both positive and negative surprises. Whether you're shocked in a good way, like hearing an incredible piece of news, or in a not-so-great way, like finding out your favorite TV show was cancelled, this emoji has your back. But remember, the emoji is for those big moments when something really takes you by surprise. You wouldn't use it for small stuff, like getting a text about dinner plans. So the next time your mind is officially blown, you know exactly what emoji to drop. Thanks for tuning in, and if you learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun emoji breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.